Unboxing. The plantito is unboxing. So
these are handmade pots from Italy, terracotta.
terracotta.
Now, I unpack one. You will be amazed.
You will be amazed because
Let me get this pot out.
it's very heavy. Careful.
This looks like a big pot.
But it's actually not.
This looks like a I wonder what is more expensive, pot
Or the plastic.
packing
Or the
material.
packing materials.
After unpacking it.
Cost a lot of time. They did a good job unpacking this.
This is crazy.
Ta-da! It's almost there. There you go. Wow! You see the mess?
And then here we have a pot.
Terracotta pot. Look at the details. Very beautiful. Yeah, and look at the mess. Just for one pot. Actually, we bought two.
They're really
From,
scared that it's broke.
From this company, we bought these pot. Biscottini ET.
And here they are together and they're going to be outside. So, you want to see where they're going to be outside?
You want to put it there now?
Okay.
So that's where we are going to put the pot. We'll be planting a cream rose there. And on the other side will be the grapes.